Hello friends, welcome back again to another stream. Today we have a to-do list. So, as we made yesterday, we have a to-do list. I'll show you. I show you the list in a second. But I was thinking of picking anything that's easier to do right now and start from there. Let's see what we can do. All right. Here we go. Here we go. So I'm gonna quickly go through them, and I'm gonna pick one or two. I don't know. So yeah, level design. I think I'm gonna keep that. Not at the moment. At this moment, maybe not right now. Try adding custom animations. Not now. Make actions. Or arrays of actions for NPCs. This is something that I like to do, so I'm gonna say this. Maybe I can do it like this. Means that I'm gonna do it right now. Custom modular plugin-ish way of changing animations for each action. Okay, I wanna keep this in mind as well. Convert NPCs into a plugin. I think that's a work for another time because it takes a lot of time and try and error. Yeah. So not this one. When getting off the hover vehicle, attach the rope. Interesting. Interesting because I have to do a bunch of stuff before I can do that. So we're gonna leave it for now. Make use of enhanced input system. Are we not already? Are we not already? No, we are not. Okay. Maybe I do it last. But yeah, I'm gonna add it to the list. NPCs AI chat interaction. Make NPCs follow anything if wanted. Yes, I want this one. Yeah, I wanted to add something. This follow anything they want. I want another one. This one is going to be make NPCs attack anything if they want it. So I would like to see this happen as well, sooner or later. So yeah, but the thing is, I'm not gonna do it now just yet. Yeah, we don't have an attack function just yet. Here's the thing. Removing the hood or changing it when driving. I already did it, so I don't remember if I did it off a stream. I think I did it off a stream, or did we do it yesterday? I don't know. So I'm gonna say this is checked. Okay. Better space or sky spy box and environment. Of course, we're going to do a level design, right? So this is gonna change there. Get rid of the draw debug lines. I already got rid of them. Check if you can optimize the NPCs to have around 500 of them without losing performance. I'm gonna keep it for later as well. Because maybe for this one I have to reduce the animation tick time, maybe. I'm not sure, but yeah, we'll get into that later. For now, let's work around NPC and make them have an array of actions to do. I just received a message. I want to silence my phone. We're gonna have a clean stream. Sometimes this fucking Bixby on my Samsung thinks I'm talking to her. An old friend. A really wait a second. Wait a second. I have to show you something. Now that you're here. Where the fuck is this? Oh my god. Yeah, I already have written something over there. The game was so far about a third-person game in Space Outpost. you do space fishing, farming, or maybe even mining to gather items and I can't even read my own text. And resources for the people of the outpost. That was the initial idea, but yesterday I came to conclusion that it's not good. Maybe I need to change it. Well, that's great. I can think about it. Why didn't I think about a docking or landing, something like that? But making simulations are hard. By the way, I'm so happy to see you around, especially on YouTube. Okay, where was I? I'm gonna bring this into the list of ideas as well. Yeah, create a specific X landing simulation with all the physics. Yeah, I'll think about it. Let's see what we can do. So, the first thing in the list, I wanna put it on my second screen so it doesn't interfere. Make actions or array of actions. NPC actions with custom modular plugin issue. Okay, let's do that. So what I have for my NPCs is not this AI. I actually want to delete this. We don't need. I hope I don't miss. Okay, okay. So that's the NPC blueprint. The other thing I want is my behavior tree. So here's the thing that we have. Wait a second. Yeah, what we got here is an enum variable for our NPC where you can set the state. What's the NPC exactly doing at this particular moment? Well, this enum only has 4 stages, 4 states maybe. Stay, follow path, random, patrol, or action. And this action one does nothing for now. What I would like to have is another one. It's like we should have actually. It's gonna be attack. And now of course this attack one should have a delay as well. Maybe the NPC comes and attack you, and then after 2 seconds it's just moves maybe for 5 meters and then attack you again and tries to move around, maybe flank you or something like that. I don't want it to just stay there like a stupid person and just try to shoot you. Miss you, buddy, as well. I don't know for some reason, but we're not contacting each other for a long time. For a long time. I want to make it up to you as well. Again. Attack, action. Yes, we have the attack one and we have the action. So the action one, we should first follow to the given destination or the given object. So the NPC should go there, and after it reaches there, it should do something. So what I need to bring is a placeholder, something like that. Animation, right? I think we need an idle animation. Something other than what we have, or like interaction animation. We gotta find that as well. Let's do it. So here, what I'm going to have is where we have face the player as well. I think it should be done after facing the player. No. That's the last one. The order doesn't matter. Oh, I messed up. On Control Z. Okay. I hope the enum is there. Okay. No problem. It's just attack. Yes. Okay. Do we have something like a switch, bro? that would make my life fucking easier. We have simple parallel sequence selector. I'm already using a selector, and the sequence isn't what I want as well. Can I have a selector and give it like an enum as an input, like a switch? Let's see. I can add a decorator. It can be limit time, tag cooldown, set tag cooldown, loop keeping on. Does that no. Don't you think like a behavior tree should definitely have something like a switch? Or maybe I just don't understand behavior trees the way I should. Interesting thing. But yeah, let's have a sequence here. And then indeed I need is selected, stay here, should follow path. Should follow path. This one is random patrol, and this one is going to be action. And then I'm gonna add a decorator. Where is it? Blackboard. It is going to be. Oh, I should add something to my blackboard as well. Should I? Well, can I have my enum here? Enum underline. No. But I can have an enum like this. Oh. What's happening here? Can I have I can have a parent for it. I cannot select, and I can't fill this enum with anything. So okay, let's get rid of that. We're gonna work around booleans still. This is very old way of doing stuff. I don't like it. I don't like the fact that we have a blackboard like this. So this is action. This action. The default value is false. Great. And then here I'm gonna say if action is set, then we can do something. Other than that, we're going to check is not stay here, and is selected is false. So that's a bunch of things we need to do. Action, stay here, is selected. Okay, just like the other one, but this one with the difference that this one is an action. Yeah. So what's gonna be next? I need to create a task. So let's make a task here. I can just search for task, right? Actually, I could do it from there's a shortcut for it. I can just create a task in the tasks. This one is going to be action. The first one, receive execute AI. Wait, we can receive execute without an AI? Why would you use that? These tasks, maybe you have it attached to an item or animation. Do you think it's possible? I hope it is. Anyways, so in order to do an action, first it should follow. It should move to that location, right? So I have a piece of code. I have it done in the move to destination. this is a random destination, right? It moves to get value, make literal name. The destination is save destination. Okay, I don't want to use this one. I want to create another one without disturbing this one. I just duplicate it and I'm gonna say move to chosen destination. Yeah, I know that they sound super similar, but believe me, trust me, I don't need any of these down here. Don't I? So if it's on an action, if it's going to do something and it gets interrupted in the middle of the way, it should still continue doing what it was doing, but we don't need the other part. So if it gets stuck somewhere, we just don't care. Or actually, if it gets stuck, we can change the collision to none, so it can still get to its destination regardless. Speed considered as blocked. Yes. I'm gonna do that. I've done it for the follow path, so I think I have it here. Oh my god, that's a lot of blueprints. And this is the exact code that I need to have. Isn't that too much? When do I set a collision then? Oh, it's done here. I'm not using this piece, so get away. Oh, we're not even doing this. Okay. I see what's happening. I just put it aside. Just put this one aside as well. All right, great. I'm gonna use the exact same code, or the blueprints, let's say. All of it. How? Okay, I think we're good. I'm gonna copy this, bring it to our action. So this will help us. Okay, this is telling if the NPC is stuck somewhere, then we set the collision to false, so it can move through objects that's blocking its path. Yeah, it's just exactly as follow path, so I'm not gonna disturb it. Stuck, yeah, we're gonna use the exact variables that we use there. And then what's here? Stuck duration while following path. Why do I multiply it by 3? Why do I multiply it by 3? Was it only for the test? Let's see. So I'll make a delay before set the collision back to whatever it was. I think it can be. I mean, it feels like a magic variable or magic number. So maybe I should have something for it. Okay, let's go to here, Blackboard. I wanna add a key. It's gonna be a float. Back collision back to normal delay. And stuck duration, this was 1, right? And the other one was 3. So I'm gonna say after 3 seconds. I think I should compile. So this is 3. Copy the name. Go to our not follow path action. So we get that we no longer need to multiply it. and we can change it as we like. What the fuck is this? Blackboard? Why? Oh, okay, yeah, of course. I have to define them here. I don't have the variable just like those, so I can also copy that. I'm not gonna do them 100 times. It's this piece of code over here. This is easy. Where the fuck was action? Okay. Yes. Okay, so this is owner controller, this is controller pawn, and yeah, that's it. Easy as fuck. Just make it a bit better. Okay. What am I setting? I'm setting the blackboard, and then I don't need a follow path, so we don't need that. We need the person ref. Do we? Yes, we do. There was another thing, the blackboard. Do I have the blackboard added? Yes. That's it. Great. Now I need to bring in the variables as well. It was the first three. That's one. That's two. That's three. Where is the blackboard? I need the blackboard. Interesting. Don't I have it as a... What? Oh, it's a component. All right. It was a component variable. Odd. So current stop time and last stop. Okay, we need to bring these two as well. This is last one. This is to check the time between two frames, or the time between getting stuck and last time walking, something like that. If it makes sense for you. I mean, we've done it 10 times in the other streams. That's why I'm just moving fast. Why? Okay, we will comment things afterwards, but I'm gonna keep things the way they are just yet for now. Okay, now we need an action destination, and we need an array of animations. Action animation, let's say. Do we? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that for now. So this is gonna be vector. Where is the vector? Action destination. We just created a task called move to chosen destination, right? Which was exactly like what move to destination, but with a little bit of difference. Yeah, you know what? I think right now we don't need this anymore. We're doing everything in the action task. Now I know action task is like 3 different tasks, right? So maybe, oh my god, yeah, I can do that. So, okay, I know. I'm gonna change this, the name of this action task to something else. I'm gonna say, yeah, we no longer need the move to chosen destination. I'll delete this. I'm gonna call it, instead of action, it's gonna be, because I'm gonna separate it into action. First, we move to a place. Once we're there, we do the action itself. Or maybe we play animation, that's a different task, and then we do the action. Something like yeah. So move to Move to chosen destination. Yeah, as we had before. Okay, just because I have the code. And then for moving there, we have again piece of code here. It's a little, for some odd reason. Oh, it's here. So we just move to that place. Should be easy. So the person ref, it gets moved to that location, and the destination is gonna be, we get the blackboard. Where's the blackboard, by the way? Since we have the blackboard reference. Oh, it's done. And then we make a literal name, get value as vector. Literal name. This is going to be the action destination or the custom destination, something like that. Let's go ahead and add that one as well. Action destination. I would call it not action but chosen destination. Sounds better, right? Copy it. This is not paused. Oh my god, I double clicked on it. Holy shit, what happened? Yes. Acceptance radius. This is an interesting one. I would like to have another. Yeah, because I want everything to be customizable, right? So we need to add another thing in our blackboard. This is gonna be a float. This is gonna be chosen destination acceptance radius. I know it sounds weird. I know. I'm gonna make it 50. So it gets 50 units away from the target and it stays there. Going back to the code. So I'm gonna make another literal name. No. Make literal name. It's gonna be like that. We need one more of these. Yes. Oh, get value as float. And that's the acceptance radius for the chosen destination. Holy shit. Well, for now, I'm assuming it will work. Okay. And then we're gonna do the real test soon. Yeah, sounds good enough. Let's go to our behavior tree. The first thing this action does is, what was the name of the command? Move to chosen destination. That's the first one. How can we check if it reaches the destination? Well, I don't know yet. I don't think there is any. So we are using a function called AI move to, right? So this AI move to function doesn't have an indicator whether you reached the destination or not. So we have to do a custom checkup for that. Shouldn't be that hard. We just get the destination and we say get distance to. Oh my god, get distance not to line. Oh, okay, I have to do it from the actor. I'm gonna say this, get distance. It's not get, distance to. Oh fuck, it is get. It wants another actor? I'm gonna calculate myself. Get actor location. We say minus, subtract by this one. Okay. And then we get the length. Length. Vector length. If this is smaller or equal than, smaller or equal to acceptance radius, of course. Yep. And I'm gonna branch this. Then it means we reached already, right? So if this happens, I'm gonna have in my blackboard, I'm gonna have a key. This one's called is at the destination, which is false by default. I'm gonna bring it here. So yeah, get value as boolean. Actually, we should do a set value as boolean, right? Set value as boolean. Okay, if we are there, then we set it to true, otherwise we set it to false. Okay. This should do it. And then what's the condition of getting the fuck out of this place? How can I do that? I think this is already an exit. Exit condition, probably. I can use this. I'm gonna say execute. Finish execute. Was successfully. What if I say it is unsuccessful? Because if we don't reach, if we are at this destination, then we are successful, otherwise it is unsuccessful. You see what I'm saying? Let's try this. Do I have a finish execution here? No. Yeah, I'm gonna try this before I do the other one. Next up is our behavior tree. Well, we move to chosen destination. After that, we need to do the action, right? Actually, there was a delay before doing the action. So I'm going to say, was it? No, there is no delay for the action. Okay. I just need to create another task. This one is actually called action. Receive execute AI. Again, I'm gonna do the same things I did for the other ones. I don't need the enum. I don't need this. Yeah. I need this part. We're gonna fix all of these comments, right? They look nasty right now. And then I'm gonna bring the variables as well. This is 1, 2. Person ref is here, and then blackboard should come as well. Okay. What I'm gonna do here is just print something. Print. I don't want it to be hello. I want it to change over time as well. So okay, I just need a random float. That's it. I don't like to see the same text over and over again because I can't tell whether it reached the destination or not. You see what I'm saying? Now we need to do another thing in the BP person, which I closed. Where is it? In my NPC. I would like to change the name from BP person to something like casual NPC. I think casual NPC would do. Okay, now here we already had a different state, right? We have random patrol, should follow path, stay here. We need another one. This one is gonna be called, I mean, this is kind of stupid, right? We should have had something like an array enum, something like that in the blackboard. This is so stupid to do it with separate variables to just change the state. Anyways, it is what it is. So I had something called action. Okay, so the moment, this is removing all the states, right? So we also remove the action state. We should also remove the attack state as well. This one is attack. We don't have a functionality for attack just yet, but it will be done in a second. I just want to add another pin just in case. Okay, going to event graph. We set the state. So we remove all the states and we set the state we want. Huh. Should state true. Should follow path true. This one is gonna be these are all functions, right? So okay, I have the action function and I'm gonna have the attack function as well. Stupid naming, but it works, trust me. This is gonna be action, and attack is attack. Yeah. Why do I have a boolean for them? Okay, yes, I see why. I want to go to set state. So this action one, input action. I would like to copy the things from random patrol. I'm not using a variable anymore to indicate them, right? I'm gonna search for it. Should random patrol. Yeah, we no longer need this one. It's already indicated in the state itself. I just want to copy this part. Oh, it's in the action, right? So this is called action. Same thing goes for the attack. Action. Yeah, this is attack. Alright. Now what I would like to do is to change these other ones as well. We no longer need this. There is yet another one. No, there are two more. Okay. Should follow path is being used by here. Okay, then I can remove this variable. Okay. What's the next one? Stay here. Yes and yes. Easy. Let's get rid of these variables as well. Shoot a random patrol is gone. Stay gone. Should follow path gone. Is selected. This is important. We're gonna keep this one. Okay. Now here's the interesting part. If you're gonna do an action, so there should be a destination as well, right? So for that destination, I'm gonna say this action one has a custom variable called destination, or it's called location. The action location, right? I need to copy the same thing. Set value as this one is vector, and it's called, I'll tell you what it's called, chosen destination. We set the chosen destination. What's the destination? Destination is this location thingy. All right. Where did this location come from? Interesting. So whenever I'm setting the state, I'm gonna have a variable called action location. This is gonna be a vector. I'm gonna expose it as well. I'm gonna say that one. All right. For now, it's on 0, 0, 0. Okay. Okay, so we set the state to action. Once it happens, it should move to a destination, and it should print something. And it's gonna stay there. Let's test it out. So what I'm gonna do is to have an NPC here. I'm gonna set this NPC's initial state over here to action, and I'm gonna give it an action location. I would like it to be maybe at this stairway, right? So I'm gonna copy this stairway location, 110, 198 by minus something for this character NPC. I'll paste it here. All right, now we need to see if this guy moves over to that stairway. I certainly hope it works. By the way, forgot something. Should be action here. So this is success and unsuccess. And then here, after it's done, I want to say finish execute successfully. That's it. Let's see. It's moving. I'm a god when it comes to Gamedev. Can I select her? I can. By the way, can I interrupt her? So in the middle of walking, can I talk to her? I want to see what happens. Come here. Yes! How is it even possible it works out of the box without an error? Holy shit. By the way, there is another problem. It's not printing anything on the screen. Let's fix that real quick. So when it moves to destination, I'm gonna say every time, okay, we say this minus that, and then we check the Blackboard chosen destination acceptance radius. This should change. I feel like it's chosen destination acceptance radius, which is 50. I feel no, that's okay. If it's less than or equal to it, we say it is at the destination and we finish execute successfully. Or otherwise we say false. Oh yeah, you know what? There is a thing. I'm not sure. By the way, movement results? What is this? Can I break it? Movement. Move. What is this result? Wait, we can check if it's blocked? E-path following result. Wait a second. I could do this all this time? So basically all the code I have here, I could have it here. I would like to test it in a separated function one day. I don't know. Maybe I do this one off stream. Aborted, invalid, off path, block, and success. Well, I don't know. Maybe I can say if you're successful, okay, then we set is asked at the destination to true. So I'm not checking anymore. For the other things, we're just going to say just set the it's not at the destination. I'm gonna say either way it's a success, but there has to be a difference, right? The difference is here. Oh my god, it sequence nodes execute their children from left to right and will stop executing its children when one of their children fails. That's exactly what I want. So if the left one is failed, then we never get to action. Wait a second. Now with the new code, like, let me see. Nope, it's not working. Let me see. Probably is in the action one. Oh yeah, maybe. Those two are connected. This is connected, and then we finish execute successfully after we print something to the screen. Interesting. The moment it begins receive execute, we do all these. We move there. Maybe I should never finish the execution unsuccessfully. So what if I do this? The fuck are you talking about? Oh yeah, even if it is unsuccessful, it's going to the next part. So no, this is not good. I guess I know what's happening. We get off this place. Ba, ba, ba. Actually, I have to look at it. No, not you. You come here. I want to see what happens. Interesting, because it's working now. Let me see again. And I do feel like it's working pretty good. Wait, I need to make it bigger. And I'm gonna zoom on these two. I'm gonna play. So you're saying AI move to is only called once? Why is it like that? And it's saying follow path. Follow path is working for the other ones. I want to click on this guy. Can I? Oh yeah, alright. I see now. I see what's happening. Okay, no. Wait. So yeah, I didn't even need this acceptance radius and stuff, because I could do this. Bro, this helps significantly. I can reduce the amount of blueprints that I have in many places by a whole lot. But yeah, for now it's working. Yeah, I can see ways to reduce the performance issue that we had. If we get there and it starts doing the action. And what is the action? The action is gonna be playing an animation once for now. Let me do that. Or I can call the action yes. I'm gonna go to BP person and we have something called wait, what is this? Oh, this should change to set AI follow path, set AI stay here. Oh my god, I can't click on it. Set AI random patrol, set AI action, set AI attack. Now I'm gonna have a custom function called action. Now this is important. This is important. There has to be a custom animation for actions, right? So we need 2 more enums, I guess. One of them is going to be the list of possible actions, and the other one is going to be the list of possible animations per action. Holy shit. Can I have an enum of enum? Would be fun, right? Like a 3D array. Maybe I can make that. I'm going crazy. I have to think about it. So we're gonna have multiple animations, multiple array of actions. Each action has a okay. I need an array of actions. Each action should have destination animation, maybe actor, because maybe it's a moving actor. So destination animation actor, and the animation itself is another array, by the way. What else I need? That's all. Can I do it here? Well, let's find out. I just want to create a variable array. Where's the music? I should set it on loop. Okay. Actions. Can it be an array? An array of class? Or should I do it in C++ as a class? Not an enum, but a class, and bring it here. Can I? Yes, of course I can. I feel like it's possible. Wait a second. I should create a... Let me see. An enum can only hold a bunch of text. Can I create an array? Wait. Oh, okay. I don't need to create an array. I need to create a class. Oh my god. Okay, let me think of it better, in a better way. This is actions. Actually, you know what? Can I have a very basic blueprint class? It says it should be actor. I'm gonna try something else. Maybe it's stupid, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna say BP action class. This BP action class is going to have a bunch of... No, it doesn't work like that. How could I do it in C++ but not here? This shouldn't be an actor class. This doesn't feel right. Everything is an actor, by the way. This is stupid of me not... Do we have something called class? No. How can I fucking do this? Yeah, I need paint. I need paint. This is what we want. This is what we want. What is this paint? Get the fuck out of my eyes. I need the paint 2D. Nope. So, actions is going to be an array. Okay? Each action is going to have a bunch of things. One of them is animation, animation. So I'm gonna say animations because we have multiple animations. So animations array. And this actions is an array itself as well. Okay, this is already a 2D array. And then we have destination, which is only one. Destination, or better said, location, right? This is not the location. What else we need? Nothing. I do like to see this one. Now that we have this, I do like to have a description as well. A description. What am I doing? A description. Okay. Let me think about it. So I need to, so the first thing is I need to create an action class, or the actions array. This is a fucking array. Yeah. How am I able to create an array in Blueprints? I've never done it before. Is it? I have to search it up. How to create an array in Unreal Blueprints? Well, I know in Blueprints. No, I don't know. Array of arrays. That's exactly what we want. You don't. It's not supported in Blueprints. The workaround is to create a blueprint struct that contains an array. Okay, blueprint struct. It's not supported by Blueprint according to that dude. Maybe it is supported and I don't know. So how can I create the struct? Structure. Okay. I'm gonna call it struct underline actions. It feels like what we want, right? This is exactly what I want. So yeah, we have three things. First one is animations. This is gonna be animation class. Animation. What is it called? Animation blueprint, animation class. Let's find out real quick. So I go to characters, mannequin, animations. So I'm gonna see. It's an animation sequence. Well, I'm not sure if I have to use animation sequence or animation blueprint. I'm gonna go with animation sequence for now. Animation sequence. Camera animation sequence. Animation sequence. Data model. Animation sequence. An animation sequence. What is this? We don't have. What the fuck? Okay, there is another way of doing it, not this one. Get the fuck out of my eyes. Go to many for loop, for example, and these. Interesting. Mannequin animations many. Why they are all green and under one folder? We'll find out. Many. Yeah, because they are animation sequence. Are you saying I cannot have an animation sequence, an array of animation sequences? Fucking animation sequence. Is it a data model? Why? Why we don't have such a thing? How to create a variable of animation sequence in Unreal Blueprints. Please, internet, come to my aid. Animation asset reference. Variable. Exactly what I want. Creating a variable by adding it. Actually, you know what? This is great. I know what to do now. What is this C++ thing? I'll go to action. No, not action. PP person. What's a play animation? And I'm gonna promote this to a variable to see what type of variable it is, which I can't. Animation asset object reference. Okay, maybe I can have that. Where's my struct? Oh my god, it says how? Let's see what others did. This is how to use animations blueprints in Unreal. No. You know what? I'm gonna make things easier by just creating an array of animations and then play them in my animation blueprint, rather than creating functions inside animation blueprints and cycle through them. Set animation blueprint as a variable. If you're looking for, don't forget. Okay. Drag off. This is exactly what I did, but it doesn't work. Oh my god. If that's not possible, then I have to think of something else. I should make a switch here. Let me think about it. Let me go to flying loop state. Oh god. I'm going crazy. All right. Let me see. So I have a question. What's the difference between this and this? I think I'm forgetting everything. Of course, not that one. Not this one. That's a comment. Oh, okay. It's a state alias. And then how do we set state aliases? We don't need to create an state alias. It's just there. It's just an entry. So so then I can give it a condition, right? I think I'm right. But I have a hunch that where's my event graph? I want to see what's happening here. Okay. It's gonna be really stupid if I'm going to have maybe like 10 states just for one action. And then imagine you have like 5 animations per action and you want them. How do I do it? We need to be innovative. Wait a second, can I turn them into something else? For example, I have this animation, right click. No, it's not possible to turn it into something else. Animation sequence as a variable. Blueprints. Fuck, I can't type on laptop keyboard. Set animation blueprint variable from.
Hello.
No, this is not what we want. This is not what we want. No. So apparently this is something that nobody has ever done. And we're just going to do it right now. Interesting thing. So, by the way, this... Oh my god, this video, I forgot. Do you think I should watch it on stream? This video is talking about nanite not working well, not working the way Epic says. This is really interesting. I have to watch it more. I saw a bunch of conclusions he came up with. I kind of agree with him, but to be honest, personally, I tested nanite and it had better performance on my PC. I don't know, maybe in my use case, because I'm not like that low level graphic designer, I don't understand quads and stuff like that. But yeah, that's something I need to watch. Now, how do I come up with a... Oh my god. Nope. Come back up. If I don't want a separated animation blueprint. I don't. I want the animation to be selectable. Oh shit. No. Animation instance. Do we have such a thing in code? Animation sequence. Get camera animation sequence. No. Okay, what if I do this? I can't. What if I just drag and drop it in? It's not possible to get a variable out of it. How can I have all of these referenced in a variable? Referenced. There's another way. Play animation for mesh. New anim to play animation asset object reference. Create slot animation. Bro, I think we found it. It's called anim sequence. Anim sequence what? I think we kind of found it. Oh, this is so stupid. I can't read the whole thing. Anim sequence. Fuck! It doesn't say. Okay, anim sequence base type. Alright. I'm gonna keep this over here so I can reference it. I wanna close the other things. Anim sequence. Anim sequence base type. Anim sequence base type. Well, couldn't I just have it anim sequence? Like, just say anim sequence. Let's see. Play animation. If I duplicate this and I change this one to anim sequence. Sequence, the normal version, object type, and I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna enter this over here. Yes, it's fucking possible. So it can be anim sequence. It's not animation sequence. It's called anim sequence. But the thing is, it was giving us more control if we were creating a slot animation dynamic montage with blend settings. That way we could have a bunch of settings like blend in settings, blend out settings. Let me see. We have blend profile, that's great. Play rate, loop count, and blend. It's cold here. So if I were to blend it, then I can have a blend setting profile. Oh, I can't. What if I split this one? Okay, we'll go with the normal one and then we'll decide. For now, oh, let's keep it. Yep. This is just a reference. Okay, this is great. So anim sequence, the base version, and the other one was location. By the way, this is gonna be an array. Location is gonna be a vector. The other one is description, which we say maybe we don't even want it, right? So no description. Okay, for now. Now in BP person, now we need to have an array of this struct. there should be an array of... Oh yeah, we definitely need this one. Name. Yeah. This is gonna be a string. You know why? Because what's the name of this action? What do you do? Yes. Now we create an array of that shit. I already have it. This goes away. I created before. It's called actions. By the way, we no longer need an action location, right? But it's there for now. This is gonna be struct underline actions. Yes. It's gonna be array. Amazing. And I'm gonna expose it. Let me see if it's actually exposed. Bro. This is one of those moments that I really wished it was C++, so I could create a class of like even 5D arrays nested. It's a bit hard here. But I think now that I know how to create, like how to use the structs this way to create loops of arrays, I can do it 100 times over now. Easily with a few clicks. Okay. I have actions and I can have multiple actions, and each action has a name, location, and a bunch of animations. And you know what? Which animation should be played? That's also important. Well, maybe I should only have one animation per action for now, until we decide what to do after. Okay, so I'm gonna say this is gonna be a single. It's just a test for now, because if I have multiple one, then I have to write a little bit of blueprint to just check, okay, which animation is selected for this action, and that's gonna be too deep, right? Even if you export it as a plugin and the user is going to use it, they're gonna get confused. I'm not gonna make them confused. Okay. When this action is going to happen, I'm actually going to say play animation for my mesh. I'm gonna say the animation that needs to be played. We should have a selected. Now we should be able to select the action, right? Okay, which action? Which one are we doing now? Okay. How can I do that? So to specify this, we should have an array of actions. This is our action. I think I should create another struct which has an array of these. We're gonna do that. I need to create yet another struct. There's something in my mind. I don't even know if it works, but we'll try. So I just want to duplicate the struct I have. I'm gonna say, this is an struct action. The other one is an struct of actions. This actions one only has one thing. So I would like it to be like a sequence, you know? So you pick an action, you do it, you go next one. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but yes. So first, this is gonna be an array. It's gonna be struct so stupid. How did it work before? So I have actions. I can have multiple actions. Each action has a bunch of things. Okay, you know what? We're gonna play the action in the index 0, always. And then if we want another thing to happen, we should swap the index. Yes, we no longer need these actions. Fuck. Maybe this works. You see what I'm saying? There's a problem. Now if I make this, then for every single character I have to fill up this array of actions again and again and again, which is not convenient. Which is stupid. So we know struct is like an array. What if I create another one? I'll bring this into that. Can I create something out of it? No. What if I duplicated this one? I want to try something. Maybe it's stupid, but I'm gonna say struct. I want to see if I can fill it up with information over here. I can't. Yeah, this is a big issue. So I would like to predefine a bunch of things inside of it. How? How can I predefine? How to define struct values in Unreal blueprints. To access the struct, simply create a new variable in our main character blueprint and set the type to the name of your struct. Okay, I know this far. Wait a second. That actually says a lot. If we have it here, can I fill it up? Yes, I can. Okay. Great. Problem solved. So I get the actions. And then it was map, it was find, it was loop. Get index 0, I think. Yeah, great. We get the first one, and then this is a structure. I want to say get again. Is it possible? No. Set ref utility array map. Oh, this one is a map. So it should say find, right? Because it's a map thingy. No. Oh, actually, yeah. This is key. Keys. Should I search this one? Get keys? No. Inter fucking secting. Interesting. Inter fucking esting. So where is my struct? I'm struggling. So in the structure, now these are called tooltips. If they are tooltips, I'm gonna say tooltip. No. Brick struct actions. Fucking amazing. This is exactly what I wanted. Yes. And this animation is going to be played. I'm gonna do the exact same thing for the for set action. You see what I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna copy this line of code. I'm gonna go to oh, I'm in the person. So this function is in the wrong place. I'm gonna copy it and bring it to no, it's in the right place. It's in the right place. Never mind. Yeah, so I was checking variables. Set AI action here. Oh no. Control Z. I'm getting crazy. This action, I don't want this. No, actually, I don't want it. I need this piece, please. Control C, Control fucking C. Set AI action, paste. So I'm setting the location to the action location. I don't need to have it here anymore. And then set a state. This is gonna go away. Nope. Compile save. Okay. We're going to have an indicator of which action we did already. Okay. So I'm gonna say, what am I going to say? This is action indicator, and it's gonna be an integer. A single one, which is 0 by default. Inside the action, where is it? Inside sets AI action, we're gonna have the indicator here. I'm gonna have the same over there to action. Oh, it's crazy. I know. There is another thing that we should add in the strug is the action delay. So it basically means how long will it take for this action to be done, or how can I say it? Yeah, I want to have an action delay. Float. Okay, play animation. And I'm gonna say delay. There is a problem. I cannot use delay in a function, right? So it's, or maybe we should have delay. No, this is delay length. I cannot have a delay in a function. I can set a timer. Set timer by event, maybe? Bro, I can have an event inside a function in blueprints. Add custom event. Custom. Create fucking. Okay, create. Nope. Nope. Now there is another problem. I can't. Okay, so I make it set timer by function. Set timer by function. Okay. I'm gonna promote it to a variable as well. Action delay timer. I can say action timer, to be honest. And another function. Next action. Okay. Once we did the action, once we played the animation, or whether we played the animation or not. So I'm gonna make a sequence because I'm not sure if these play animations return false or what. So I just want to make a sequence. Paste my thing here. So regardless, we play the animation. Can I get the animation time? Like, is it time? Delay, duration, create asset, create meta sound, create asset, create a slot animation. Can I check the duration, time, delay? No. So regardless, now we get the delay. So we create a function, set timer by function. Where is the function name? It's gonna called next action. It is called next action. In the next action, I'm gonna say indicator plus plus. I can just say increment, right? Oh, I just noticed something else. Event graph, whenever we're setting state, we set the state of action. And we are doing this, right? Now we have to check if this indicator, if this is actually, this exists. How can I do it? How? Wait, it says given an array and index, returns the item in the array at that index. Since it's a direct reference, you can operate directly on the item and changes made to it be reflected back in the array. Oh, okay. I gotta make sure I don't change anything here. The other thing is has or find item. Ah, interesting. I have to find by key if I'm gonna do that. No? I should find by structure. It's not what I want. I'll do it old-fashioned. We get the length, and then I do a small check here. If this is less than length, So when I get the length, does it count the 0? Is it 0 indexed in blueprints? I forgot. We'll check. Losing a branch. I'm not sure if I have to say less than or equal to. I think it's less than, yeah. I think we're good. If action indicator less than. Alright. This is for set actions. Set AI action. We say okay, it's doing an action, and then after that we are saying what kind of value is it setting. Get controller, we get the blackboard, and then we set the value of chosen destination to the destination we had after we check if it is valid. Cool. Now I go to the next one function, which is the action one. Here I'm gonna do the same thing. We're going to see if our indicator is inside the array, if it exists. What happens here now? Oh, okay, once we go to the next action, I set it again. You should set the action again. Make literal name, this, blah, blah. Yeah, we are basically changing a bunch of destinations. But we change the destination, and we change the animation that's gonna play. Location and animation. The name is okay. The delay will also be changed, I guess, for the next one. Should be good. Now, after instead of printing something, I'm gonna say do the action. How? So we get the person ref and we say action. That's all. We finish, execute. Okay. This is important. This is really important because I don't want this function to be called 100 times. So once this is happening, I need to set a variable here, and I'm gonna say, basically, just for a better understanding, I do it in a better sequencing way. Here I'm going to set a variable is busy. It's Boolean. We basically say we are busy, and after the action is done, and we are going to the next action, the moment we go to the next action, we set the is busy to false. Okay. And we only do this. Oh, you know what? I have to do it in Blackboard. Yeah, I can do it this way, but it's better to be done in the Blackboard. and I will tell you why. So I don't need to do it here. Actually, I do need to do it here, but in a slightly different way. So I need to take set value this, copy it to my next action. No, to my action. Yeah. Set value as bool. Is it gonna be connected here? Blah, 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 blah. Here's the interesting part. The name is gonna be is busy. Oh shit, I clicked on it. I don't want VS right now. Is busy. I'm gonna set it to true. And in the next action, I'm gonna say it's false. It's not busy anymore. Because we went to the next action, right? Now what we do here is that I go to here. No, I just need to add something in the blackboard called is busy. Is busy, which is false by default. We add it as a decorator. If it is not busy. Busy, yep. If it is not set. Okay. What kind of animation is going to play it? Just as a placeholder, okay? I'm going to add an animation and I'm gonna say it is, so I add an action. I just want to pick an animation. I don't know what, I can pick any, so I pick this one. And then for the location, I think the same location, it was okay. So I'm gonna copy it. The name is wave, something like that, or like test action 1. And I would like it to have like, we need to know the delay of our animation, right? Let's say 5 seconds. I'm gonna see what happens. Let's play. Oh, it plays the animation before it moves there. Okay. We have to bring the animation back to normal as well. This is also important. How can I do that? If is busy is not set. Bro, why? I think the problem is in the BP person. So we say set action, set AI action. We do this. Do I actually call action here? No. Okay, so where else am I calling the action? Only here. I'm gonna print hello. Let's see. Oh, it's being called once before we even start moving. Yeah. So basically, I had the same issue in these places as well. So I made a variable for them, but for this one, maybe there can be a better. So at first, it comes here. It starts going. Yeah, I feel like it's some sort of a bug, so I'm gonna do the same thing, just like this one. Make literal name paused. No, not that. Not this. So basically, the first time we start. Yep. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna say started. The moment we start, we are going to say it is started. I mean the movement. And here, started. Let's add another decorator called started. Started is set. Wait a second. Shh. White's hand is up. I'm not even calling that function just yet. It should be called after reaching the destination, right? So, do I ever call it here? Like action? I want to search for. Ooh! I think I know why. This should be off. Unsuccessful, I mean. No. Bro, now that I have that, maybe I no longer need this. Let's try it. You see what I'm saying? I was making a mistake all along. What if I don't have it connected? Nope. Print hello. Let's see. Bro, something happened. Okay, wait a second. So this is working. By the way, I was about to check something out. So I had a finish execution here with success, right? No, it's not success because it's paused. And it didn't work. Kind of crazy, but what if I don't have this piece of code? Can I still talk to the NPC? Yeah, I can. Okay, it's only because I removed that. Alright. So you should go back. Yes. I'm gonna try again. This is so stupid. It's not working. See what I'm saying? It stops and it's face me. And then it comes back here. If selected is true, we do that. Otherwise... if the following path had started, so maybe we should change this to something else. Doing actions started, or I can say, yeah, doing actions started. Okay. It's weird. It's weird, but it will work. Doing action is started, if this, and then here we're gonna say doing actions is started. What else? Follow path of speed considered blocked. Oh my god. This is okay. Put back to normal delay. That's fine. If it's selected, do this. If not, I have to check it out on my second screen in a big way. Okay, this guy just stopped and it's facing me. If I go away, it's not facing me anymore. But you should set up. Okay, I think I can see what's the problem. Oh no, I clicked on stop movement. Set actor rotation. The weirdest thing happening in my life. if is selected is true, we set the value to paused and we finish execute successfully. Maybe I too have to finish execute successfully. Okay. Yeah, let's try. Come on. Okay, it works for the first time, but for the second time, it doesn't. How? And even for the first time, there isn't any delay. It just stands there. Oh, it's because of my timer. Let me search these ones. Select one, go away. It's gonna wait for a second before she moves back in. Okay. I know what's happening. Not set. I'm gonna do. Make a branch. Why do I need to do this when I can do it in the blackboard? I don't understand. Like, let's try it once more. So add another decorator blackboard. Doing actions is started. No, this is very stupid. How? I don't need this doing actions started. I don't need it at all. Okay, we are going to check to see if we are at the destination. What about that? See what I'm saying? Is at the destination. If it is set. I remember I added something else as well, but that should do anyway. It's gonna move. It's not even printing anything. Do not do the action and just print. Didn't work. Oh no. The moment it starts, it's 100% a bug. This is not working. Get value bool. Selected is false, and then I want to do another branch. I could do an AND as well, but yeah, forget it. Yeah, we check if you're at the destination, and then we check if you're not, if it is not selected. Okay. Gonna go there and print hello. It is not, because of something. Interesting. Fucking hell. Yes, of course. This should be done after. This is here. This is here. Or I can even say, if it was false, then check. Yeah, I can do it the other way around. To make it cleaner. Please work this time. Okay, nobody cares about the first hello. Well, at least right now. It's not working. Not selected, then we check if is at the destination is true, then we say something. And here, so stupid. I think I know why. After we do an AI move to, we have to check that it's destination, and then yeah. To be honest, we should bring back this code. I don't have it, right? Get actor location. Distance vector to the chosen destination less than or equal to our radius. Then I branched. Get the fuck out of my eyes. You come here. Otherwise that. Let's go. Please work. I'm not looking for trouble. So far so good. It's gonna get there and it's gonna print hello. It didn't. Fuck. Oh, it's a radius, right? I'm gonna multiply it by 2. Let's see. Please work, please. I'll beg you. It's not. What is this? Is at the destination. If distance between these two is less than or equal to this guy, I'm gonna print here. Let's go. Problem is bigger. Why? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do it in a different way. I'm gonna see the distance myself with my eyes, my own eyes. I'm gonna see exactly what's the number. Okay, 1,700, 400, 155. Okay. Can I? No. Movement is. Scene capture settings. No, what is this? Get the fuck out of here. Path following result. Is valid, aborted. Off path, logged for success. I'm gonna say if it is then less, if it is less than like 500 or something. Maybe I should give it another location, right? Maybe I'm gonna give it the location of this guy. You see what I'm saying? Maybe it was because of the location, and of course acceptance was radius, but we'll see. Okay, this time it said hello because it could reach the destination. It should be more. Just multiply it by 2. It should be more. Chosen destination acceptance radius. What if I make it 200? Does it stay? Does it stay 200 units away? or it actually goes there. I wanna have the location of this other place that I have. What is this? A stairway? Person here, paste, and then we will check a sequence of actions as well. It's moving. Yeah, it will stay 200 units away. Oh my god. How can I make it happen? You know what? If we print something on fail, maybe when it reaches its destination, and on success, I'm gonna do another one. So 5 is on success. This is all right. I want to see what happens exactly. I accidentally opened Visual Studio as well, which I don't need. Oh, what did I do? Okay, wait. Great. This says a lot. So on success, we're gonna do a bunch of things. Okay. I don't even need this. On success, I'm gonna say I'm at the destination. This is on success. Otherwise, not this branch one. Otherwise, we're gonna say, okay, we're not at the destination. Let's check this one. I don't want a hello. I wish it works. I hope. Yes! This is great. This says a lot. Now I should go here. Instead of hello, we were supposed to play the action. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Also, maybe now I can even bypass this, since I can have it here. Since I already have it here. Even this is selected one. We're gonna check that too in a second, but let's see. Raise your hand. It's working. It's trying to fly. What the fuck is happening here? What? Oh, I can't even push it. You see what I'm saying? Oh, it just stopped. How? It also turns to me. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Yeah, okay. Okay, this works, but I need this line of code. I want to do something with it. And it's all because of this acceptance radius, which we need to fix. Maybe. It's gonna be 50, okay? See what I'm saying? The same issue. Okay, now we have to play it only once, right? All in all, it's because once we reach here, action, we're gonna say action done. Huh? You see what I'm saying? Finish execute success. I need to get the blackboard and I need to say the action is done. And we get out of this loop. Okay, okay. How? Another blackboard data. Is action done? Which is false. We're gonna say the action is done. And then here, adding another. Actually, I can add two decorators. One. Another decorator. This one is gonna be selected. Is not selected, and this one is action done, which is gonna be. We check if it is not selected, and then we check if the action is not done, and then we check if we are at the destination. Actually, we have to check if we are at the destination first. Okay, and then inside here we do all of these. We no longer need to do these two at the destination and it's selected. Okay. Now I'm gonna see if it works already. Oh, this is action done, by the way. I'm gonna check the syntax. Is action done? Make sure it's there. Yes, 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 yes. We're gonna set it to false in the NPC blueprint. So far, it's working. Fly, flap. Great. I just fell down, by the way. Yes, now you know what? I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna bring it to move to chosen destination. Do I have anything to do with the action done or not here? No. So in the BP person, do I do it here? Or no, I don't know. Yep, the moment we set a new action, where is it? We have to say Blackboard. Yeah, we have to set the is action done to false. You see what I'm saying? This is where you do that. Yes, yeah. Okay. see if it works. By the way, the animation also I was playing, I would like to change it to something else. Maybe like a maybe like jog forward, and I'm gonna see how. Okay, it's gonna jog like this and it's gonna stop instantly. By the way, this is a different skeleton, right? It's a different skeleton, so let's fix it. Doesn't matter, it should work. It should work. Please. Please. Okay, playing the animation and it's gonna pause. Great. It should go back to its normal state, but we'll fix it in a second. That's working so far. I'm gonna go to... Yeah, now we have a problem with just selecting this guy. If it is selected, we go all the way to here. Let's jump, stops and face the player. Yeah. It stops and it's face the player. That's it. And we finish execute. But I remember in here, event graph, in the tick function, we had something called check if player is in range. And we returned something, okay. Oh, I closed the event graph. And then we check the is selected. If the player is selected, we check if it is in range. If it was not in range, we set it back to normal. How? We set the blackboard is selected to normal, to false, of course. And once that happens, if it is action, if it shouldn't stay here, and if it is not selected. Okay, otherwise we start moving to that location. Let's try it. Fury. Wait. Okay, it stops, it talks to me. I can move away, it just moves. Talking again, moving away, it moves. Talk again, move away, moves. Oh, yes, it works. Okay, what if I talk to it right now? All right. Now, we should bring it back to its normal state after playing the animation, right? Right. So in order to do that, I just need to go to my action function. And I have this delay, right? We say it's busy. Hey, are we using this is busy function at all? I don't think we're using it anymore. Let me see. Is busy. What is this? Didn't I remove this? Yeah. No, we're no longer using an is busy function. Maybe we are in the other task. No, there is nothing called is busy, so we can get rid of it. Easy as fuck. Okay, so we set a timer, and after a little bit of time, we say next action, right? I'm gonna go to next action, and we're going to destroy this timer. Where is it? There is a variable for it. Action timer get and click. No, I should say clear timer. By clear and invalidated the function, the timer. We do that. Okay. What's next? This is busy thing. We're no longer using it, right? This is also gone. Wait a second. I want to make sure if I'm removing the right one. Okay. Set AI action to false. No, it's not false. It should be true. Wait. Should be true. Okay, we'll go here. Of course, we set it to true, but we check if it is false. This is important. This is important. If the length isn't correct, then... Well, I can simply do that before I do anything else. And then after this, I'm gonna say it is true. This is true. Otherwise, this is false. Let's see what happens. Okay. Should play as usual right now. Totally works. Unless if I give it 2 tasks. Okay, I'm gonna give it another action. This action is gonna be, this time it's going to go here. I'm gonna copy this location. And the animation is gonna be something else. Okay, play around with your feet. This one is gonna be called nothing. Are we using delay? Yes. Okay. 0 delay. It's okay. Let's play. It's gonna go there, do a run, and it's gonna fly to the other location if it works. Yes, it's working. And it's gonna play another animation now. Totally works. And then it's gonna stop. I can talk to her. Move away and it's gonna let me go. Cool. Now, let's bring it back to its normal state as well. Once we go to the next action, right? So whenever the function next action is called, we clear the timer and we set the... Right now the animation is... What's the animation for it? I have to go to viewport. It is... Anim class is ABP Quincy Anim class. Animation blueprint. Okay. action, view person, event graph. Next action. Set anim class. Set animation mod. To use animation blueprint. What happens? Let's go back to its normal state, please. It instantly played in the other one. Shouldn't be like that. Once we clear it, we do that. Set animation. ABP. Oh. Set anim instance class. ABP many queen. ABP queen. It's gonna work 100%. Give it a second. It's not working. Why? But it was working before it. Please move to the next location with the same animation. Oh my god. There's a problem. So we say his action done. True. Then here. His action done is false. I think this shouldn't be here. I think this should happen inside the action after this set timer is done. So whenever the next action is happening, okay, yeah, I'm gonna do it over here. So this blackboard, I'm gonna get it again, which I can get it from, I don't know, here maybe. So many tabs. Yes. Okay. Let's see if this one works. No. It's not working. I can clear the timer afterwards. So we get the action indicator, we set the AI action, and then we set the animation mod back to normal. Then we say the action is actually done. and then we move to the next one. So yeah, maybe we should do this set action one in the end. Set AI action. This is the last thing that happens. Here. No. PV person. Action. This next action. There are a lot of questions that I have. So we know the delay. I'm gonna print something in the next action. Okay. Print something. It's not working the way it should. Yeah, it's resetting. It keeps resetting. Okay, I'll tell you what the problem is in a sec. Calls the action, it goes here, it plays an animation, and then it also sets a timer. In the next action, we say this plus plus animation set anime instance, and then we say the action is done. I think this should come with me and should happen here in the end, just like the other ones. Make the destination happen. Make is action done. Is action done is false actually. Oh, I should say. Is action done back to false. Okay. What about now? Fun fact, it was working a few seconds ago, but it's no longer working. Oh, Oh, it got stuck somewhere. Do the action and finish execute. Doing the action. When we are doing this action, we play the animation and then we set a timer. Once the timer ends, we are saying the action is not done anymore. I think I need to have another variable called is doing action or is busy. I need to bring it back. Or here I can say is action done. Let's try. Okay, working. It stops. It's gonna move now. Instantly playing the other one. Okay, let's fix that. We selected is at the destination. All right. I'm gonna set is at the destination to false as well. Is at the destination. Is it the right syntax? With two T's. Oh no. Oh, actually, it's right. It's at the. Totally fine. I accidentally opened Visual Studio maybe like 100 times today. Let's see how it works now. It's gonna pause. It's gonna. Oh, okay. Is that the destination is now false. I'm gonna bring it before this one. I know it doesn't matter, but I would like to see it this way. We will clean the blueprints very soon. But for now, bear with me. Clear the function. This is very weird. Well, I'll make it work in a sec. Wait. It's like it's being called twice. You see what I'm saying? Is action done true? After 5 seconds, is action done is false. Okay. I will not change it here. Is action done will not be touched over there. Let's see. Stays there, plays an animation, stops. It's walking to the other one. Should play another animation like a leg spin or something. It just stops there. It didn't play the other animation, did it? Interesting. Action done is false. Yes. Is that the destination should be true, right? Maybe that's the problem. So I'm gonna monitor it again, and we'll see. Do this, do that. Ooh. This guy. Okay, I'm gonna see how her behavior is. Okay, you guys can see it as well. It's working. Okay, now it's moving to the other destination. Once it gets there, oh, it gets stuck here. Okay, let's see. This one is is action done should be false. Once we are doing the action, is action done is true. Okay, and after it is true, after maybe a few seconds, which is for example 5 seconds. Oh yeah, we need a delay for this one. So this second one requires a delay. So action number 2, maybe give it like 3 seconds of delay. Watch, it's perfectly working now. I want to talk to her as well. Maybe, hey, talk to me. Yeah, okay. It does. I move away. It's playing animation. It still talks to me. I can move away. Ah, it didn't do anything. Why? I thought it's because I gave it 3 seconds delay. It had to work. Goes here, set it to true, and then after a bunch of time, is action done. We don't set it to false. Okay. Maybe I have to set it here. Is action done false? Let's try. Please. Okay. Oh, shit. Nope. Nope. It isn't working. When I set it to false, instantly the next one is getting played. Which it shouldn't. Because you know what? The problem is action done. Set AI action. Set the destination. Is at the destination. How do I tackle this? The action is no longer done. Okay. Set value action, set just work with. Oh, I'm getting crazy. I'm getting crazy here. It's been almost 3 hours. It's totally done except this little thing. Oh my god. I don't want to leave it undone, you know? I have to make it work before I go. Otherwise, I may forget. Because we are deep into the blueprints right now. Let's see. I'm gonna monitor it again. No, not this one. Okay. Let's click on her. If I can. Okay. Okay. All right. Wait a second. The delay. I don't get it. I still don't get it. Chosen destination is at the destination is false. Is action done is false. Everything is false because we're doing a new action. Okay. But what happens before it? Play an animation. Action done. Once we do it, we do an action. Once we do the action, we say action is done. And after a few seconds, let's say after 5 seconds, and we said action is done, maybe it's a mistake to do it here. I'm gonna change its name as well. I just want to get the blackboard. So this action is done. Doesn't matter how it's done. It's done. And after 5 seconds, let's say, where is it? Sorry guys. And after 5 seconds, we're bringing the animation back to normal. Wait a second, there's something. Unreal Engine, play animation, how to check if done. Something like that. I don't want to place points in the animation, but yeah, is playing. There is a method called is playing in use skeletal mesh. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do that. But okay, so this is going to be a loop of maybe 1 divided by 5 times a second check if the animation is done. And then here I'm gonna say if he's playing if the animation is not playing, you see what I'm saying? We add an indicator, we set the animation back to back to what it was before. We say AI action true and we clear the timer. I'm gonna go here. We are no longer at the destination. We are no longer, there's no longer an action to be done. Here. Let me see. Yes, that she runs, and then instantly she goes back to this place. Oh my god. It's weird. now in the second place that she reaches, she's going to play another animation, right? This second one, I'm gonna change it to something else. I'm gonna set it to land. Let's see. Not playing. Even the other one felt bad, to be honest. Is it because we checked 5 times a second only? I think it is. But you know what? I think I'm kind of tired. My mind doesn't work. Like, I can't think of anything else right now. So thank you very much for being along with me. For coming along with me. I forgot language. Yeah. So until tomorrow, I'll see you again. I think we do that. It was a great stream. I liked it. Hope to see you again. Until then, peace. Why am I blurry?